Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. So students, today we are going to discuss about the topic is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, the chemical name is calcium sulfate. Plaster of Paris chemical name is calcium sulfate. It means plaster of Paris is the common name. It is a common name. Yes, it is a common name. The chemical name is calcium sulfate. Formula is Formula of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate half H2O. Calcium sulfate and half H2O. The name of the plaster of Paris derived from by heating the gypsum mainly found in Paris. The heating the calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate called as a gypsum and mainly it is found in the Paris. Preparation: the heating of calcium sulfate dihydrate to 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin lost water molecules to form plaster of Paris. If you are heating any salt at the 100 degrees Celsius, if the 100 degrees Celsius if you are heating it, then what happens, students? The elimination of water to form the plaster of Paris. Reaction here: calcium sulfate 2H2O heating to form calcium sulfate and half water, and 1.5 H2O is evaporated. Questions. The question is why we not heat gypsum above 100 degrees Celsius? Why we are use the 100 degrees Celsius? Why can't we have to use the more than 100? Because answer is yes, students. If we heat the gypsum above 100 degrees Celsius, all the water get evaporated and anhydrous calcium sulfate is formed, called as dead burn plaster. If we heat the calcium sulfate, then what happens, students? All the waters, this water, two water, all the two water get evaporated. If all the get water evaporated, just only left here CaSO4. If CaSO4 is left, this is CaSO4 is a completely die hard substance, very hard substance, and it can't be used for making making the ceramics material. So that's why this is cannot be heated more than 100 degrees Celsius. If just you are heated the 100 degrees Celsius, then what happens, students? Only out of two waters, 2H2O, 1.5 H2O is eliminated when you are heated the 100 degrees Celsius. If you heat more than 100 degrees Celsius, all the 2H2O get evaporated here. All the 2H2O. There is no H2O is left here. Yes, students. Properties of plaster of Paris. It is a white powder substance. It is very remarkable property of the setting hard mass wetting in with water. It means when it treated with the water, students, when plaster of Paris or react with water molecules or mix with water molecules, it gives a gelatinous substance. With the help of this gelatinous substance, you have to make a you have to you have to make the any ceramics material with the help of this plaster of Paris. So die hard substance, the setting very die hard mass. It is very hard mass. It means when it in which we are eliminate the water molecules. When water molecules are mixed, after water molecules are mixed with the calcium sulfate, it becomes gelatinous, and you have to keep it for a keep it keep it keep it for a long time. Then what happens? It turns into very hard hard stone like substance. Hard stone like substance, that is hard mass. Calcium sulfate half water, again in which again we are adding the half water forms calcium 2H2O. The plaster of Paris which are kept into the moisture proof chamber container, because due to the moisture proof it is a gelatinous and it is used for a variety of purpose. Questions. Why variety of purpose use? How the look at here, students. It is used in the hospitals to setting the fractured bone. What is the fractured bone is there? The fractured bone is setting purpose. It is used. And the second one, it is okay. Amount of plaster of Paris mixed with the quantity of water. Apply the fractured limb and set into very hard mass and keep the joint fixed positions. Right. Now it is used in the making toys, decorative material, cheap ornament, etc. Used in painting, ceilings, houses, and other buildings. Questions. Water crystallizations. What water means by water crystallization? Water crystallization means, friends, the any some salt substance are there, any hard salt substance which is absorb the fixed amount of water molecules. If the water molecules fixed amount of water molecules absorbed by the salt, that is called water crystallizations. So fixed number of water molecules present in crystalline salt called as a water crystallizations. Questions. Questions. Okay. The every salt has absorbed the fixed number of molecule of water. Right, students? The different salt which absorb the different fixed number of water molecules in a solid form. The water of crystallization does not wet salt. When the salt absorbs the fixed number of water molecules, it cannot turns into wet form. It remains in the dry or crystalline form. It remains in dry or crystalline forms called as water crystallizations. It is called as a water crystallizations. Right. So the water when salt particle absorb the fixed number of water molecules, if it absorbs the fixed number of water molecule, it cannot turns into liquid form. It cannot turns into gel form. It remains in the hard crystalline solid substance. That is we call water crystallizations. Calcium sulfate 2H2O turns into calcium 2H2O. Look at here, students. Calcium sulfate means added the absorb 2H2O, calcium sulfate. It remains in the solid form. It remains in solid form, students. Copper sulfate absorbs the 5 moles of 5 water molecules called as a water crystallization pentahydrate. If calcium sulfate absorbs the 5 water, that is pentahydrate. Right, students. Iron sulfate absorbs the 7 water molecules called the 7 water crystallization, or you may say heptahydrate. 7 means heptahydrates. So action of heat, hydrated salt of water crystallizations. When we heat the hydrated salt, it lost water. When it lost water, lost color, regular shape, etc. Lost water molecules along with the other regular shapes are lost also. For example, copper sulfate pentahydrate is a blue color. After heating, the blue color turns into colorless like this. The copper sulfate blue color, when we are heat, both are separated, copper sulfate and waters are separate, it becomes colorless. Questions. Experimental observation, copper sulfate, dry boiling tube, boil blue color, heat the crystal strongly on a boiling tube and the blue color turns into white like this, turns. Blue color, initiated blue color, when we are started to heat, it turns into colorless. Blue color turns into colorless. This colorless indicates that it lost water molecules. Right, students? So students, here we are complete the chapter number 2. I hope you understood the today topics and the previous topics. If you enjoyed them, students, ask me. Thank you so much.